Barley is one of the most popular grains consumed around the world and is used in a number of different recipes. Not only is it consumed for its pleasant taste, but barley is actually packed with nutrition and is known for being nutrient dense, while promoting our health numerous ways. Now, let's discuss the health benefits of consuming barley. First, as mentioned previously, barley is incredibly nutrient dense. It is a great source of a variety of nutrients, such as manganese, selenium, iron, niacin, thiamin, magnesium, and many more. Barley is also high in dietary fiber and unique antioxidants, such as lignans. Consuming barley can also help to promote proper digestion and the health of the digestive system. This is attributed to the high insoluble and soluble fiber content of barley. It can add bulk and promote food to move through the intestines, reducing constipation and improving bowel function. It can also promote good bacteria in the gut while reducing inflammation. Barley is also heart healthy and can reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Barley contains a unique compound known as beta-glucans that can help reduce bad LDL cholesterol in the body. Importantly, it can also increase good HDL cholesterol while reducing triglycerides. Barley can also help to regulate blood pressure levels. It can also provide benefits for those with diabetes or those who are at risk of developing diabetes. This is because barley can help to lower blood sugar levels while also improving insulin secretion. The good levels of magnesium is also important since it plays a role in insulin production, as well as fiber, which can slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Lastly, barley, when consumed in moderation, can actually help to promote weight loss and healthy weight management. This is because barley can reduce hunger and promote satiety and fullness. This is because it is packed with fiber, especially soluble fiber, while also slowing down digestion. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.